I've to loosen this lever cap lever, I've just put this old chisel that I have, and I've just placed it inside that opening there, and I've gently tapped it with this little hammer, little pin nailing hammer on both sides, just gently, and now it's nice. A little bit further, I've just put some more lubricant in it. I'll just keep rubbing that backwards and forwards. That's good enough now. So that I can do now. I'll just give this a light wire brushing and we're done. Now, this cheap wire brush that I got off eBay, they're good enough for these little jobs.